This is a Lunar CLubman SE, just going to take you around the van and show you how it operates. In front of the van you've got your hitch, jockey wheel and handbrake, and your ATC. We'll take you through these in person here on site. In the front locker you have your gas bottle tie downs and your gas regulator on the bulkhead. It's actually a gas changeover valve on this particular caravan, so you can have two gas pipes connected and two gas bottles connected at the same time. So you can have one connected this side and one connected this side, and to change your gas supply over, you very simply spin this valve so this arrow is pointing towards the gas bottle that you want to use. You have to spin it over the top rather than down below. On the side of the caravan you have your heating and hot water flue, which is there to allow the heating system to breathe, so very similar to the heating flue on the side of your house. You also then got your wind down leg on either side of the caravan at the front to stabilise the caravan while you're on site. The water pump connection, very simply, blue trigger at the back, pull it out to release it and push it into place. The pump then itself drops down inside the acque roll, and you would need to make sure this is full of water prior to filling the water system up on the caravan. Then got your 110 amp leisure battery. The leisure battery is there to power the 12 volt appliances on board the caravan, and we do advise that you always have a 12 volt battery on board the caravan when you're using the caravan at all. Then got your mains power lead coming into the side of the van, and behind there you've got your motor mover power switch. We'll demonstrate this to you when you're here on site. Fridge vents are simply there to allow the hot air at the back of the fridge unit to take some cool air in. And then behind the top right hand side you've got a gas flue for when you're in the fridge on gas. You've then got your motor mover and wheel nuts. Like I said, we'll demonstrate the motor mover while you're here on site, and we'll also torque the wheel nuts before the caravan leaves site so you can see they've been tightened correctly. Then you've got your two grey waste pipes that come out the side of the van. So you've got your large diameter holes here on the outside where your grey pipes go into, and you'll drop them down inside your waste master. At the back of the caravan you've got your toilet flush tank. This tank here takes 3.5 litres of water and a cap full of the pink fluid prior to use. And at the bottom you have your toilet waste cassette, which you'll release by pulling up the orange handle and pulling the cassette towards you. The neck here turns out 90 degrees so you can tip the waste away. The grey cap is a measure for your pink and your blue fluids, and then you've got your orange pressure relief button on the back of the cassette, so when you're tipping the waste away it doesn't spit and splatter back at you. At the back of the van on either side you've got your wind down legs to stabilise the caravan. Again, they are only there for stabilising, not lifting the van. On the door side of the caravan you've got a storage locker underneath the beds at the rear, bed at the rear of the van. Then you've got your motor mover and wheel nuts again. You have a storage locker for underneath the front seats of the van, the last of the wind down legs, and then a barbecue gas point on the front left hand side here. You can connect that up so you can run a barbecue outside of the van. Going inside the caravan now. In front of you have the fridge, cooker, etc., which I'll come to in a moment. But above the door as we walk in, you've got the main power button for the caravan. You've got your interior lights, your awning light, your battery level voltage, going through your different options of power, water pump run, which I'll come back to in a moment, and then you have your options for the control panel here, which for these we do advise you read the manual that comes with the caravan. Then got your heating and hot water control panel on the right hand side, which I'll demonstrate in a moment. First of all, we're going to need to fill the water system up. So we're going to come underneath the seat on the right hand side front of the van. Underneath here, you've got the yellow drain down valve. You're going to need to make sure that yellow drain down valve is parallel with the floor before filling the water system up. If you want to drain the system down, you have to upright and pointing towards the bottom of the seat. On the right hand side of this, underneath the seats, you have your 12 volt fuses behind the control panel here, behind the panel there, and you also have your 240 trip switches on the right hand side. Now the 240 trip switches are there for the 240 systems on board the van. If you want to check if you've got mains power coming to the caravan, hit the test switch here, and if this blue lever flicks down to the bottom, then it means you have mains power coming to the caravan. If that does not trip, it means there is no mains power coming into the caravan from the caravan site you are on. Above that you have your master switches for your water heater, your space heater and your charging system on board the van. And on the top left hand side you have your system shutdown to isolate all the power on board the caravan. But to fill the system up, we'll come over to every tap on board the caravan, open them all up on the hot side of the water system, So as you can see, the water system is currently full, but you'll leave that tap open with the aqua roll connected on the outside and the yellow valve underneath the seat shut. You'll hit the water pump button and you'll leave the water system to fill until you've got water running out of every tap on board the caravan, and then you'll shut all of the taps back off so the water system is completely full, and at that point you can start warming the water on board the van. So on this control panel above the door, this is an Aldi control panel. You've got your main power for it in the bottom left hand corner. You've got your heating pump run to say it is running on the top left hand side. You've got mains power coming into the caravan or to the heating and hot water system, and then you've got the current room temperature below that. Hit the menu button. You've got your mains power here, so you've got the option of 1, 2 or 3 kilowatts to run your heating and hot water on. We're going to run it on 1. And at the top here you have your room temperature, minus or plus to set your room temperature. Below that you have your water temperature, so you've got water on and water boost. Then at the bottom here you've got the option to run the heating and hot water on gas, and to do that you hit the gas option with the gas bottle connected and the gas bottle turned on. The gas system should self-ignite on board the caravan, and that will be the gas system ignited and the heating and hot water system running from the gas. You can use it as a boost, and you can run it as a combination with the gas and electric at the same time. In this control here on the bottom right hand side you have the option, you have several options modes in there, and you can operate, or you can learn how to use these by reading the manual that comes with the caravan. If I tried to take you through them in the video, it'd probably take me 2 to 3 hours to complete. We've then got the fridge system behind me. So the fridge, very simple to use. You've got power off and power on. At the moment you can see we're using 240 mains. To control the temperature of the fridge on 240, you've got the button on the right hand side here. The more you hit the button, the colder the fridge will be. You then got the option to run gas, so the fridge will self-ignite on gas if the gas bottle is connected in the front of the caravan. And if it fails to ignite, it will flash the blue flame symbol here and the red warning triangle on the right hand side. When you're towing down the road, you can use the fridge as a cool box, so you can use the 12 volt mode once you're connected to the car to use the fridge as a cool box, like I said. The idea of that is the beer and wine will be nice and cold when you arrive on site. So you connect up to the car first, come inside, turn the fridge on, and at the moment you can see it's flashing at me, letting me know there's no 12 volt supply coming into the caravan. The temperature control on 12 volt mode will not do anything, as it is just a cool box. You've then got your hob, grill and oven. Now if anything doesn't ignite on gas the first time you try to ignite them, I'd advise you ignite the hob, then try reigniting the appliance you're trying to work. On the front of the cooker you have got the igniter button, and you have got an electric ring on there which will only work when you're connected to 240 mains. Coming into the back of the caravan, we've got the toilet system, and to operate the toilet system it's very easy to do. You've got an electric flush on the toilet. You've got a toilet full indicator light just here that indicates when the toilet waste cassette is completely full. The toilet seat itself does actually turn for your convenience, so as you can see, it turns to the position you'd like it to go. However, we do advise when you're removing the toilet cassette from underneath the van that you put the toilet back in the straight position with the rear of the toilet. When you're using the loo, again, we do advise you have the toilet waste flap open. However, when you're done with the loo and when you're trying to remove the cassette, you'd need to make sure this toilet waste flap is back in the centre as it is now. If you try to remove that cassette with this waste cassette open, it'll actually potentially break the toilet waste cassette itself. One thing to note, the radiator on board the caravan in the bathroom does hold its heat for quite a while, so please be careful when you are near it or using the loo facilities, as they do get extremely hot. So that is the Lunar CLubman SE. If you have any further questions on the caravan, please don't hesitate to give us a call here at the Caravan Company, and we'll be more than happy to help. We appreciate your business and we look forward to seeing you here on site soon. Thank you for now. Bye bye.